Hey everyone, so this is the ORICO SSD. Very excited to open this up. Check it out, the solid state drive, and not only that, it has super fast read speed. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and see what it's all about. So I'm just gonna get past the thin plastic, and then we're gonna get our SSD out here. It's kind of cool that a solid state drive can be this small. So what am I going to use it for? Well, some use cases I'm looking forward to are mobile phones, computers, obviously, and anything else I can use. Plus, I can use it for outdoor stuff. It's going to be plug and play. It's going to be really cool. So I just pop open this guy right here. That's it. Simple and easy unboxing. And then we have our guy right here. Whoop. So it's pretty simple. And of course, we have a USB-C and an instruction manual. So, let's talk a little bit about this. I like the ring hole. This is light and portable. I can just carry it wherever I want, or I can carry it on my belt buckle. Now, what can I do with this? If I have different things, files I want to transfer on my mobile phone right here, I can do that. So I got the ORICO SSD, and I can connect it to my computer. You might be wondering, how do you do that? Well, it's quite simple. Let's do it right here. So we plug in the USB-C, and then I have my laptop next to me. So this is plug and play. You can simply plug it in, and here you can see that it turns on, and then my computer is seeing the ORICO right here. So I can go ahead and transfer whatever I want. I can actually see it open up right here on my PC. So I can transfer, videos, I can transfer different stuff that I'm working on, I can transfer my files, even everything from documents to what have you. So I think this is going to be excellent to use, and it's going to be very, very effective. Now, if somebody wants, you can also do it with mobile phones right here, which is pretty cool. So I can do it with any mobile phone that I want and just transfer it over. And I can go ahead, put this in, and hook this up. So I can do the transfer from the mobile phone from here. And that's how simple it is. Now, one thing is that I really like the idea that you can just kind of relieve the memory on the mobile phone. Because on my mobile phone, I'm shooting a lot of videos like this one, and this is going to come in extremely handy, because instead of having my mobile phone just blow up with videos, or my computer get filled up with videos or different stuff like that, or files, I can just use this guy. Put all the videos and all of the files I want on here, and we're good to go. We can see it has a nice design, and it's very, very simple. Just USB-C this guy up, transfer files on your computer, or transfer mobile phones, whatever it is, do large capacity storage, and we're good to go. And that's how easy it is. Portable SSD. Technology just keeps getting more and more exciting, and I'd like to know what you think of this. And it has 1 terabyte of data, so that's a huge amount. It's going to take a while to fill up. So that is ORICO SSD. Let's go. So here we can actually see my Galaxy 22. Then up here we can see the Orchid D. And now all I need to do is go ahead and grab these video files as such. And then I can simply go ahead and pull them over to here. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to come to DCIM. I'm just going to put them in the camera place with all the videos here. I'm going to come here and grab these. And simply move them. And as you can see, boom, moved very, very quickly. All thanks to this little guy right here, the Orchid.